YouTube, oh my god, YouTube. I've been waiting 3 months, not one, not two. 3 months, yo. The name of the title down below. You guys know what we got going on. Part 4 of the mystery box series, man. Yo, we lit. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Idris Majo back with another mystery box video, guys. Yo, you guys know I love doing these mystery box videos. If you haven't already, as soon as you finish this video, go watch my other previous mystery box videos because they are all fire. As y'all can see from today, we got the reliable, the fire, the self-explanatory heat mystery box, man. Yo, this is by far my favorite mystery box. You feel me? I've been taking a look at different mystery boxes, but this by far is my favorite. I've seen a lot online. This by far is my favorite and probably the best mystery box that there is out there, man. Yo, no cap. Now, as y'all know, they have two different type of mystery boxes. They have original one and they have the high ticket one. I usually get the original mystery box, but thanks to today's sponsor, which is, you feel me, my wallet, thank you so much, I love you, we were able to get the high ticket mystery box. Now these, I'm not gonna lie, guys, these are freaking expensive. These go for like $650 after tax, like damn near $700, guys. So you feel me? This was mad expensive, no cap. So we better have some heat in here. If not, yo, me and he gonna have to fight, you feel me? Me and the CEO of Heat are gonna have to fight if there's no heat in here, man, no cap. Now you guys know the usual rundown if you have watched my other Heat videos. Basically, they give you more than what you pay for, like guaranteed. I think if you get the original like €300 one, you get anywhere from like $750 to $1,000. And if you get the €600 one, you get, I don't remember how much, but like 1,500 plus or something like that. Guys, I know y'all don't want to be hearing me talk all the way too much, so we're gonna get straight into the unboxing, man. Yo, if you haven't already, hit that like button right now and make sure you watch my ads, please, because I need to recuperate at least a little bit of this money, man. Yo, without further ado, come on, let's open it. Come on, man. It's about to get deadly. Ooh. Let me know what y'all see. Comment down below what you guys see. Let me know. Yo, let me know. I can't look right now. Let me know what you guys see. One thing I gotta say off the bat is this packaging is like, this is impeccable packaging. This packaging is crazy. Like, it's just so sophisticated. I opened it. It says right here, streetwear is a culture encapsulating fashion, art, and music, creating its own ideology. That's a fact. Also gave me this note right here. Like, yo, I feel like I just copped something. Like, you feel me? I don't know. I just feel official with this right now. Thank you for shopping with Heat. We hope to see you again soon. Tag us in Instagram story and use hashtag HeatBox to be entered in our monthly giveaway. I might have to do that. Yo, without further ado, I'm talking too much, man. Let's just open what we got in here. First thing we have, I don't know how many items we have, but I'm gonna go and grab this big thing right here. Let's see. Oh, I think it's only one item. That's crazy. Is there anything left in there, guys? Let me know. Oh, yeah, there's not. I'm super anxious right now, guys, because it's like, yo, I hope it's fire, man. I'm really hoping it's fire. I'm gonna try to just take one item at a time because, you feel me, I don't want to spoil it for myself. I want to see what we got. So I'm gonna try to open it. Let me see how I do this. This is with my eyes closed, guys, so don't be judging me in the comments down below. Alright, it's open, it's open. I'm gonna try to grab, I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna try to grab. Bro, am I grabbing it correct? I'm just trying to grab one thing. Feels like a shirt. Alright, guys, I grabbed the first thing. Let's see what it is. 1, 2, 3. What's this? Whoa! About to be dripping. Come on now. It's about to be deadly, man. Got the Palm Angels t-shirt. Come on. Now, personally, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if personally I'm a keeper, you feel me? Because I don't like stuff that's like kind of like too basic-ish. This is fire, you feel me? It definitely is fire, but at the same time, like, I don't know if y'all get what I'm trying to say. I'm not really much of a hype beast like that. I just like stuff that look nice, and this does look nice, but it also kind of look like, you feel me, plainish. This is kind of like that subtle drip, like, you feel me, you go out, niggas like, yo, what shirt is that? They see the Palm Angels. Come on, stop playing, bro. But like I say in my previous videos, yo, if you see me with any of the drip on, you better dip, because, you feel me, I'm a TYB a girl, you feel me? Unless you a subscriber, then, you feel me, we gonna have to share that, you feel me? Because we family on the channel, so we might as well just share that. But first item, Palm Angel shirt. Come on, fire. Come, yo, stop playing, man. Stop playing. I'm trying not to look at the second item, guys. Hold on, let me grab it. I don't know. Alright. Yo, it seems like we still got stuff in here, no cap. Alright, y'all let me know what this is. This is the second item. Let me grab, yo, don't play with me, man. Don't even tell me. I'm gonna open my eyes. Hope it is what I think it is. I'm gonna open it. 1, 2, 3. Ah, nah, they baited. This is cool though, you feel me? We got a pair of rude jeans, sweatpants. I don't know what these are. Like, are these like sweatpants, kind of like camo, joggers, cargo pants? I don't know what these, how to like classify these, but these cool for real. These is cool. They're not really my style like that too much, but you feel me? They look cool. They look classy-ish. Y'all take a look of it for yourself and let me know what you think. Like, is this fire to you or not? Should I sell this? Should I, you feel me? What should I do? Is this a cop or a drop for y'all? Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. Personally though, like I said, it's not really my style, but it's cool. It's definitely cool. I think this might be the last item. I'm gonna just open my eyes, you feel me? I don't know what this is. It feels kind of weird. It feels like a windbreaker or something. I don't know what it is, but 1, 2, 3. What's this? We got another pair of sweatpants, the Stussy. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's Stussy sweatpants. These cool. They just like regular black sweatpants. Personally, again, this is not my style. I know this probably goes for bread, but I would just get like $20, $25, $30 pair of Nike pants that look exactly like this and be cool. You feel me? So personally, I would not keep this at all, but it's cool. It's simplistic. I don't really see nothing that makes it like too fire, to be honest with you guys, but it's definitely cool. Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave all the prices here. You feel me? You're gonna see it within the video, and we're just gonna see how much it tallied up to. Hopefully we got more than what we spent, because if we didn't, yo, me and Heat, we gonna have to, you feel me? We're gonna have to box it out, man, no cap. Total value of everything together was about 1,100, and if I can sell that and, you feel me, make like 900, you feel me, I'm up in profit. I'm gonna be lit. But I'm just judging it off of whether I would wear it or not, and overall I wouldn't. You feel me? The Palm Angel shirt is cool, but I don't really feel like I will add any of these to my collection. As you guys know, I'm trying to build up a designer collection, just it being all around like my YouTube content, YouTube videos. So I'm gonna take you guys along as I'm building my designer collection. But yo, I'm not gonna lie, if you guys do want to, like, if you're into the reselling game, you should definitely consider like copping a box. You can potentially flip it and still be up in profit. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. Do y'all think I got a W or do you think I got an L on these? Personally, I'm not tripping too much because, you feel me, I wanted to make a video out of this, and this just gives me an excuse to give you guys content. So honestly, I don't really care too much. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on all post notifications so you know when your boy's dropping these bangers, man. And yo, without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more mystery boxes. I'm gonna dip into other companies and see what they have to offer as well. If y'all want these mystery box videos, please keep showing love, support, and keep running it up. And for God's sake, please watch my ads so I can buy more of these. Without further ado, it's been real. It's been your boy Idris Majo. Yo. I'm gonna see you on the next one.
Come on, that's got songs to play. Switch it up, Bruce Wayne. I got different designers, something different every day. Come on, that's got songs to play. Switch it up, Bruce Wayne. I got different designers, something different every day. Getting